Agreed. How many joined, man?
22.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
How many are there, man? How many joined?
22. 22 sir.
21.
क्यों
Sir,
क्या हुआ
21.
जल्दी I am leaving you at 12:30 now. That will not be a problem for prayers, no? Now look here. Quickly recall. Write once again. Come on. All of you. कल लास्ट में जिससे एंड करे उसको और एक बार रिपीट करो. What was it? Next. Y minus x. And finally, बोलो man.
X minus 2 pi.
What was cos inverse cos x? This one only is simple and easy. X when x belongs to and pi minus x or 2 pi minus x. Tan inverse tan x was x when x belongs to open pi by 2 open pi by 2 to open 3 pi by 2 pay attention. There's a reason why this topic is not dealt before functions. Kal some of you asked me, sir, open lena, close lena, open lena, close lena, what intervals and all. Pay attention. Open यहाँ पे closed pi by 2 करा मैं. यहाँ पे I made open pi by 2. If you want, you can make open here, closed here. Why? Put a pi by 2. क्या देगा? Put a pi by 2. क्या देगा? Pi by 2. Put a pi by 2. क्या देगा? Pi minus pi by 2. Pi by 2. They are equal. 3 pi by 2. इधर closed किया, इधर open किया. इधर closed किया, इधर open किया. If you want, put open here, closed here. Nothing will happen. Why? Because if you put closed pi by 2, what is pi minus 3 pi by 2? Pi minus 3 pi by 2 minus pi by 2. Put 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 minus 2 pi minus pi by 2. Same argument here. Put a pi, it will become pi. Put a pi, it will become pi. So closed इधर ले सकते, इधर ले सकते. इधर लिया, so इधर नहीं लिया. Here I have taken, here I did not. If I take here, put open here. Agreed?
Sir, we can take both as close, sir.
Both close नहीं लेना. एक जगह लिए तो दूसरा जगह नहीं लेना. Both close कैसे लेते भाई?
Okay, sir.
Here Tan x is not defined for odd multiples of pi by 2. Tan x is not defined for odd multiples of pi by 2. So at pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, pi by 2, it is all open. यहाँ पे कहीं पर भी close नहीं लेना. Because tan x is not defined for odd multiples of pi by 2. Tan x is sin x by cos x. Cos x is not defined for odd multiples of pi by 2. A famous problem asked recently in mains exam also. It says sin inverse sin tan. First option will be 20. इसको 10 डाल के स्टूडेंट 20 करके आंसर मार्क करता. Do not write, all of you.
Pi by 2, sir.
Pura class, do not write, listen to this. Do not write, listen to this. Copy letter, all of you. Hopefully, you are looking at your screens. Pay attention. This 10 is not equal to 10 degrees. Remember, if this is sin inverse sin 10 degrees plus cos inverse cos 10 degrees, then your answer 10 degrees plus 10 degrees is equal to 20 degrees is absolutely correct. समझ में आ रहा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is this 10? This 10 here stands for 10 radians. 1 radian is approximately equal to what? 57 degrees, 14 minutes shy. 57 degrees, 14 minutes shy. School में पढ़ना है. 1 radian is equal to 57 degrees, 14 minutes. So what is 10 radians? Approximately equal to 140 minutes बोले तो 1-2 डिग्री आगे था. So I will say 570 degrees. What is 570 degrees, man? 540 degrees is 2 pi, 3 pi. What is 3 pi? 3 into 180 degrees. So this 570 degrees is equals to 3 pi plus theta, where will this theta lies in? 0 to pi by 2. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, look here. Sin inverse sin 10. What is your 10? Cos inverse cos 10. What is your 10? I think this won't be 3 pi plus theta. No, correct me, you know? 3 pi plus theta. Am I correct, man? Or I should define one formula, man. Sin inverse minus x is cos inverse minus x is tan inverse minus x is but you know, these three I should have quoted earlier. Now, what's the first one? Sin inverse sin of 2 pi plus theta. Am I correct? Cos inverse cos of 2 pi plus theta. Am I correct? Any trigonometric ratio. What is sine 360 plus theta?
Sin theta.
Sin theta.
What is cos 360 plus theta?
Cos theta.
Cos. So what's the first one?
Sin pi plus theta. Sin pi plus theta.
Plus cos inverse cos of. Now look here. Theta is acute. Pi plus theta. Which quadrant?
Second quadrant.
Whatever.
Third quadrant.
Third
quadrant.
Which quadrant?
Third quadrant.
अब सलाम करना पड़ता है मेरे को. This is in third quadrant. This is in third quadrant. In third quadrant, what is sine inverse sine x? In third quadrant means where you are. First case,
Pi
second case,
minus
third
x.
case.
Second case.
Second case, it is a pi minus x. So pi minus, what is your x? Pi plus theta. Am I correct?
Yes,
Am I
sir.
correct?
Yes, sir.
Plus cos in plus, what is, where is pi plus theta lying in? Third quadrant. Third quadrant mein what is cos? First case or
2
second
pi
case?
minus
First case or second case?
Second case.
Second.
Second case.
Second case. 2 pi minus theta. So what am I left over with? Pi will cancel off. Minus theta. 1 pi will go off. What is this? Pi minus 2 theta. Pi minus 2 into. What is theta? What is theta? Bolo man.
30 degrees.
Theta. 10 minus 3 pi. What is theta?
10 minus 3p.
What is theta? 10 minus 3 pi. So what's the answer, man? What's the answer, man?
4 pi minus 20.
7 pi minus 20. This is the answer. Not 10 plus 10, 20. Obvious.
Sir,
Bolo.
I didn't understand how are you taking that it lies in third quadrant, sir. That it lies in third quadrant, sir. But which one you are taking, I'm not understanding, sir. Like pi minus x or x minus 2 pi.
This lies in third quadrant. Third quadrant is second case. Pi minus x. In place of x, I have pi plus theta.
Sir, third one also can come under third quadrant, na, sir. The third case.
Third one is in fourth quadrant, man. 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. It is greater than 3 pi by 2.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Devda. What, man? Correct? Can I clear this off?
1 minute, sir.
आज अदनान नहीं है.
प्रेजेंट सर.
अदनान कुछ डाउट्स नहीं है?
नो सर.
नहीं. शाबाश.
Completed, sir.
Can I?
Yes, sir.
What is 5 radians? 5 into 57 degrees 14 minutes. ये 5 into 57 कर दो 14 minutes छोड़ दो. What is 5 into 57 man?
285.
25.
285 sir.
285.
285 degrees approximately. What is 285?
Pi by 2 plus theta.
2 pi minus theta. 360 minus theta, no? Because 270 is 3 pi by 2. 2 pi minus theta, 270.
Okay.
Where theta belongs to 0 to pi by 2. Agreed? Where will this 2 pi minus theta belongs to? Third quadrant or fourth quadrant?
Fourth quadrant.
Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. 285 degrees कौन से quadrant में इसी?
Fourth quadrant.
So what is your sine inverse sine phi? Sine inverse. Your sine phi is sine of 2 pi minus theta. What is sine inverse sine x? Sine inverse sine x. Fourth quadrant में.
X minus 2.
Minus 2 pi.
What's the formula, man? X minus 2 pi.
Minus 2.
X is how much? What remains? Minus theta. What is minus theta? What is minus theta? What is minus theta?
285 minus 2 pi.
Wait, pi minus 2 pi, man. What is minus theta? Pi minus 2 pi. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So what it becomes? Less than perfect square में लिखो. Correct है? Correct है? बच्चे लोग, what is x square less than a square? Where will x belongs to?
Minus a to a.
So where will x minus 2 belongs to? Minus under root 9 minus 2 pi comma plus under root 9 minus 2 pi. Adnan,
Yes, sir.
अदनान मियां समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
करेक्ट है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, एक हिसाब में शर्मा सर हिला देगा. So send minus to the other side. What do I get? Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
सर 1 मिनट नीचे
Hint. Hint. You call this as theta. This will also be theta. What am I trying to say?
tan pi by 4.
Let cos inverse A by B is equal to theta. What is cos theta 1? What is the first term becomes? Tan of pi by 4 plus second term tan of pi by 4 minus. Now proceed. Now proceed. Shall we write inverse trigonometric functions exam this week? We did only inverse now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
वही लिखेंगे फिर. We'll write inverse only exam.
सर अंडर रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर बाई बी सर
2b by a 2a by b कुछ आता जी. समान नंबर है. Answer me, Sobi.
No, sir. Saidur Rahman, sir.
Saidur Rahman. What is tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2? By third term, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Second term, tan A plus tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. बचे लोग एलसीएम, बचे लोग एलसीएम। न्यूमरेटर 1 plus tan theta by 2 whole square, 1 minus tan theta by 2 whole square, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, man? Bolo, man. 2 of a square plus b square. So 2 into 1 plus denominator 1 minus, correct? Bring it
Yes,
to the
sir.
denominator. Bring this to the
Yes, sir.
denominator. What will I get? 2 upon 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by, बच्चों लोग 1 minus cos square a by
Theta.
1 plus cos square a is what? Is what? Cos 2a. 1 minus cos square a by 1 plus cos square a is cos 2a. So 2 by cos 2 into your a is theta by 2. 2 will cancel off. Theta by cos theta or 2 by cos theta. 2 upon what is cos theta? What is cos theta? A by b.
Sir, 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square, I know, sir. Cos 2a.
Sorry.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, what you did after that step, sir? 2 into 1 plus tan square theta by 2 by 1 minus tan square theta by 2.
I brought this to the denominator.
Okay, sir.
उधर लिखा ना जो उतना clear. Can I?
Yes, sir.
Now look at. Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
Look at. How to add 2 tan inverse wala and how to add subtract 2 cos inverse wala without restrictions. Straightforward. Tan inverse A plus tan inverse B is nothing but tan inverse of A plus B by 1 minus AB. And tan inverse A minus tan inverse B. Bola. A minus B by.
First
Plus
table.
There is no restriction on A and B. Conditions मैंने impose नहीं किया. If you do not know anything about the behavior of A and B, this will happen. Remember, left to right important, right to left also important. Splitting. What is that splitting? Tan inverse alpha plus beta by 1 minus alpha beta. What is denominator left hand side corner? Denominator, please do not write. Look at the board. Listen to this. What is denominator left hand side?
1 minus alpha beta.
Denominator left hand side corner 1. Alpha plus beta by 1 minus alpha beta. Can I split this? Answer is yes. How is the splitting done? Bolo. Tan inverse alpha.
Yes, tan inverse B.
If it is tan inverse alpha minus beta, then it is tan inverse alpha minus tan inverse beta. But this has some limitations. Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look here. What are the limitations it has? I'll give one example. Pay attention. Two angles of a triangle are then we all know. What do we know? Sum of 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Am I correct?
Sir.
Sir.
Not expecting anybody to write. Listen to this. I'll give you time. Pay attention. Look at the board. What's the condition, man? Since what is your A?
Tan inverse 2.
B,
Tan inverse 3.
C, pi.
Sir, tan inverse 3.
What is your C? Pi minus of tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 3. Pi minus of, if I apply this principle, I said no conditions, you can do this. But here there's a trouble. What is that? Here, what does it becomes? Tan inverse of, if I apply this, what will I get? What will I get? Tell me, man.
Pi by
2 plus 3 by,
1 minus 2 into
what will I get? Pi
3
minus
minus tan inverse of pi by
5 by,
minus
what is this? Tan inverse minus 1. Why did I tell you? Recently we wrote one dibba. What was tan
yes,
inverse
sir.
minus x?
Minus tan inverse x.
Minus tan inverse x. Can one angle of a triangle be greater than 180?
No.
So is this principle working out?
No.
No.
That's what I said. This has limitations. What are the limitations? Here, wait, here it changes. What is one method? The one I wrote, pi minus of tan inverse of minus 1 minus tan inverse 1 the limitation there is a greater than 0. The limitation there is a greater than 0, b greater than 0, ab greater than 1, tan inverse a plus tan inverse b is pi plus tan inverse of a plus b by, I'll write this once again anyhow. Look at your a and b. Are they both greater than 0?
Yes, sir.
Are they both greater than 0?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What is their product?
Greater than 1.
What is their product? 6. Is it greater than 1?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Then what does it says? Pi minus of pi plus tan inverse 2 plus 3 by 1 minus 2 into 3. So it is pi minus of pi plus tan inverse minus 1. So pi and pi will cancel off. Minus into minus will become plus. What does it gives you?
Tan
Pi by 2. Copy this. What are these conditions? I'll write them now. Copy this first. Please mute your mic. Who is that? Till when you don't have chemistry class, man?
They said up to this week, sir.
Huh?
Only this week, sir.
Can you think of finish writing?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Tan inverse 2 is a positive value. Tan inverse 3 is a positive value. If it is 5 pi by 4, can I?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You have to remember these rules. There is no other go. There is no other option. I can only explain you the logic. But remembering is important. Pay attention to this. Do not write. Listen here. Tan inverse A plus tan inverse B is equals to tan inverse of A plus B by, if A greater than 0, B greater than 0, AB is less than 1. AB is less than 1. Pi plus tan inverse of A plus B by, because A greater than 0, B greater than 0, AB greater than 1. And finally, minus pi plus tan inverse of a plus b by 1 minus ab. If a less than 0, b less than 0, and ab greater than 1, pi by 2. If ab is equal to 1. Look here. Pay attention. I'm telling you why you should add pi. Look at this value. A पॉजिटिव है, B पॉजिटिव है, डिनोमिनेटर क्या हो गया?
Negative.
डिनोमिनेटर नेगेटिव हो गया. So what does it becomes? Tan inverse a negative value. Where will tan inverse a negative value lie between minus pi by 2 to 0? Remember, what is the range of tan function? What is the
Minus
range of tan function? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. In minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, where will all positive numbers fall? 0 to pi by 2. Negative numbers will fall minus pi by 2 to 0. Now look at left hand side. It's a positive number. A greater than 0. It's a positive number. It's a positive number. दो पॉजिटिव ऐड कर रहे हैं. दो पॉजिटिव ऐड करने से if you don't put a pi, what is the value you are getting?
Negative.
By adding two positives, can you ever get a negative? No.
Never.
Why you are adding pi? What is the maximum value? Pi by 2. Maximum value pi by 2. Pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Pi. So when you are adding, that value should be less than that pi. Hence, this value will lie between minus pi by 2 to 0. You are adding pi, so it will balance out. Similarly, others are clear. It's only a logic, but in application, a student has to remember them. There is no other option. Similarly, come to the next one. If it happens to be tan inverse A minus tan inverse B, this is equal to tan inverse of A minus B by 1 plus AB whenever xy is greater than minus 1. And this is pi plus tan inverse of A minus B by 1 plus AB whenever
Sir, AB should be
greater than 0. Sorry. Whenever A greater than 0, B less than 0, and AB less than minus 1. And finally, minus pi plus tan inverse of why, what, when, where, how, all depends upon range of the functions. A student, while writing an exam on inverse trigonometric functions, should remember these formulae and go to the exam. Very, very, very important. And finally, last one is and if AB plus BC plus CA is less than 1, then tan inverse A, tan inverse B, tan inverse C is tan inverse of anybody? A plus B plus C minus ABC by 1 minus of AB plus BC plus C. Very, very useful, very, very important. Can I clear this off?
One minute.
Can I clear this off?
1 minute, sir.
First two.
Yes, sir.
Adnan,
Yes, sir.
very, 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 very important problem list. Examiner's favorite mains question asked in mains many times. All of you look at your screens. Tan inverse of 1 by Whole class, I want full attention at the board. Whole class, I want full attention to your screens. Do not write, listen here. I have explained this in chapter called progressions, sequence and series. What is sum to n terms of any progression? Sigma of its rth term, where r runs from 1 to n. What is this r equal to 1 क्या देगा? Am I correct? बच्चे लोग am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First I should find rth term. First term पढ़ो. Read out first term. Forget about tan inverse. That is common. First term पढ़ो.
1 by 1 plus 1 plus 1 square.
Second term. 1
1
by
by
1.
plus 2 plus 2 square.
Third term.
1 by 1 plus 3 plus 3.
So what will be the rth term?
1 by 1
PR is equal
plus
to
r square.
tan inverse of 1 by
1 plus r plus r.
tan inverse of 1 by 1 plus. What do you write denominator?
2r plus 2r.
होने वो 2r देखो आता कौन से दुनिया में आता 2r? हैदराबाद में तो नहीं आता. Am I correct? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Keeping denominator in mind, can you split or can you manipulate numerator? Can you
No.
manipulate numerator?
No.
Keeping denominator in mind, can you manipulate numerator? Can you manipulate numerator? Bolo.
R plus
R
1
plus 1.
minus r.
Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, what is your TR? Can I split now? Can I split now?
Sir,
What is your
tan inverse
tan inverse of A minus B by 1 plus AB, or tan inverse of alpha minus beta by 1 plus alpha beta? Tan inverse alpha implies your TR is equal to what? Tan inverse of R plus 1 minus tan inverse R. बच्चे लोग agreed? बच्चे लोग agreed? बच्चे लोग agreed? Now,
Yes.
keeping this in mind, what is sum to n terms? Sigma of its rth term. Tan inverse of, what was this called? What was this called? Put R equal to 1. Put R equal to 1. What is it equal to? Please mute your mic, Rupert.
That's for us.
Put R equal to 1. Tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 1. R equal to 2. R equal to 3. So on. R equal to n. Tan inverse of n plus 1 minus tan inverse n. In sequence and series, in progressions, I gave this a name. What was this name called? What was this name called? Do you remember? Telescopic cancellation. Telescopic cancellation. Telescopic cancellation. By telescopic cancellation, will the terms get cancelled? Answer is yes. How it is done? Tan inverse 2, tan inverse 2, tan inverse 3, tan inverse 3. A भी कर जाता, A भी कर जाता. So finally, What is your assignment? Assignment below. Tan inverse of n plus 1. See, if the answer is asked only Sn, Sn equal to, I can club. How do I club? Tan inverse of n plus 1 minus 1 by 1 plus n plus 1 into 1. Am I correct? Am I correct? जैसा split किया वैसे ऐड किया. So what does it gives you? Tan inverse of n by n plus 2. Leave this here. But what are we interested in? How many terms I have? How many terms I have? How many terms I have? Infinitely many terms. So where is n going to? Where is n going to?
Infinity.
As n goes to infinity, as infinity is equal to, n is going to infinity, n plus 1 will go to infinity. So what will I get? Tan 90 is infinity. What is tan inverse infinity?
90.
90. 5 by 2 minus 5 by 4.
Exam में अगर n terms पूछा sum, this is the answer. Infinite पूछा, this is the answer. Any doubts? Any questions? Copy this. We shall do one more column before we leave for the day.
Done, sir.
1 minute, sir.
I can drop first two lines, no?
Yes, sir.
If you allow me, I'll give a hint.
Yes, sir.
Can I clear this off?
Sir, don't rub the right portion, sir.
I'll wait. Hint, man. What's the half the term?
Tan inverse of 1 by 2 into r square.
1 by 2 r square.
1 by 2 by, this is the hint. What man? Idea आया? Anybody? Anybody? Anybody?
Sir, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square.
No. First of all, what's the idea? Tan inverse problems में तोड़ने को, tan inverse problems में split करने को, denominator left hand side corner, denominator left hand side corner must always be 1. Do we have that 1 here? Get that 1 first. How do you write this? 2 by 1 plus, bolo, tan inverse of 2 by 1 plus, how do you write 4r square minus 1? Now can you think of manipulation in the numerator? Can you think of manipulation in the numerator? Can you think of manipulation in the numerator?
Add and subtract 2r.
Directly I can write 2r plus 1 minus of, correct, very good. Is it Isaac?
Yes, sir.
2r minus
2r plus 1 into 2r minus 1. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Now can the splitting be done? What is sum to n terms? Sigma of TR. Sigma r equal to 1 to TR. Put r equal to 1 क्या देगा? R equal to 1. R equal to 2. 2 into 2 4 plus 1 5. 2 into 2 4 minus 1 plus R equal tan inverse 3 7. R equal to n. 2n plus 1 minus of. Correct? Am I correct, man?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Cancellation. What is this cancellation called? Telescopic cancellation. What remains? Tan inverse of एग्जाम में SN पूछा तो what will be the answer? Tan inverse of 2n plus 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 2n plus 1 into 1. Numerator tan inverse 2n. Denominator 2n plus 1 plus 1. 2n plus 2. 1 2 will cancel off. Tan inverse n by n plus 1. One form. There in the problem, what he asked for? S infinity. What is tan inverse infinity? Correct?
Yes, sir.
You can
Yes,
leave
sir.
tomorrow, same time, 11 o'clock. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
This week only this inverse functions.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.